Another great stress reliever is to get a pencil and some paper and just start drawing or sketching or doodling or whatever you want. If it's coming from your hand, then it's coming from your brain. So if you keep that brain busy, you'll have more time to output than input. And sometimes that's all we need, something just to move our hands around. And I think that's what quietens my brain, moving my hands. So next time you're stressed, it doesn't even matter what it looks like. Or for instance, a lot of these things that are shown here, I use tutorials on YouTube. And there's some great artists out there that can give you tips and show you how to shade correctly and put definition in your work, and just try it. I like this eye the best, I think. I like that part, but I was waiting to get a Tom Brown eraser like this. This little tiny guy's an eraser. So it'll make it so much easier to get, put your highlights in. So actually, I haven't even used it. I got this to do this. No, I'm not left-handed, To make this move. Right? Let's see, I've been using it for other stuff, but this is what I got it for. For that highlight. Yeah, like, it's hard to get regular erasers small enough to fit in there. It would have made a lot of these things so much easier. Okay, let me stop because that's not what I was there for. Oh, and then I was into lips for a little bit. I stopped down here because this is where I realized I needed a small eraser for these tiny little highlights. It was so hard trying to make highlights. There's tiny little lines when you just didn't have that. Even the kneaded erasers didn't work properly. So I like this one. It's folded, and I like this one, even though the eraser left dirty marks up here. And then I don't know what I did, but I just couldn't get them to disappear. But I'm not the greatest of artists, but I'd like to try new things. This is my newspaper pop art girl. I have a whole tutorial on her, so have a look for that one next. There's my bird, honoring my former students that have passed on. So it doesn't matter how good or bad you think you are, just get moving. And that little bit of time that you spend on self-care will help you when you have to attend to the stress you have to deal with. Because just not thinking about it is not enough. But taking some time for yourself and giving some distance between the event and when you have to deal with it definitely helps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.